What I like the parents to do is teach your children when they can speak or they're speaking, Tsongkhapa's short mantra, Om, Ara, Bansa, Nadi. Don't force them. Talk to them gently, and by your example of doing the practice, recite the mantra. Because if you have your children start the mantra now, that's 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years of preparation before they grow up and leave your home, that they will be good people. Everybody knows if we do real Dharma practice, we become good people. Everybody knows that. Everybody knows we become good people. So imagine if we can start this with your children. I didn't say to make your children monks and nuns. What I said is to start them off on something powerful. You're going to feed them. You're going to work for them. You're going to educate them. You're going to wash them and clean them and take care of them. You have to do so much for them. Then when they grow up, if they turn out to be wonderful people, that's great. But one way of helping them to turn out to be wonderful people is to make sure the Dharma is in their mind. The blessings, the 3 jewels in their mind. Why? A mother and father's love must manifest in something very high. More than food, more than money, more than clothes, more than education for your kids. Those are necessary. Those are good. But it must manifest in the highest of the high to give your children a spiritual foundation so that when they grow up, they will be law-abiding citizens of our beautiful country. Here. They will be respectful of elders. They will be respectful of their parents. They will not harm others. They will not do drugs. They will not get drunk. They will not hurt anyone in any way. How can we do that? You don't do that when they grow up and it's too late. You have to do it starting when they're young. But more important is that the parents must show the correct example.